Alright, what's happening YouTube? My name is Adrian and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And right now, I am on my way to High Wycombe to pick up my new car. So, what you've just seen there is the car I'm still currently driving, the car I'm currently taking with me to High Wycombe, which is a Mark 5 R32. I've not had her for too long. I've had her since October of 2019, so not even a year. Reason being why I am selling her or trading her in for another car is because she's not very practical. Well, not very practical and comfortable for my mom, who I sometimes need to take her to places. She is of age, so it's a bit uncomfortable for her to crawl in and out of a three-door car. So once I get to High Wycombe, I'll show you around what we're picking up today.
Alright, so paperwork's all done. Just to let you know, I am inside Volkswagen in High Wycombe. Very lovely team here. Sorted me out with a nice deal on my new car. Can you guess what it is yet? Anyways, let me go show you around the new car.
Alright, so we're inside the new car. Well, my new car. It is a car that's from 2010, so would you consider it a new car? It is a new car to me. And yeah, this is it, Mark 6 Golf R. The question is, can you tell the difference between the Mark 6 Golf R and the Mark 5 R32? Honestly, looking around, there's not that many differences, and I apologise for the noise, which is the rain. We have been experiencing a lot of rain recently, and we apologise for the sound of rain because, you know, who knew that collection day will be filled with wonderful British weather? Just rain, downpouring non-stop. But that does not stop us from collecting my new car. So, yeah, the question is, can you really tell the difference between the Mark 6 Golf R interior and the Mark 5 Golf R32 interior? And, you know, honestly, I would say there's not that many huge differences. I still feel so familiar with the interior of this car. I feel like I'm actually in my Mark 5, to be fair. Well, my former Mark 5 R32. Driving position's very similar. The seats feel almost the same, but I feel like the Mark 5 seats have a bit more cushioning. Oh, thank you. The rain has just stopped. Yeah, the seats on the Mark 5 just felt a bit more clumpy, if you know what I mean. So it's a bit more cushioning on the Mark 5 seats. But apart from that, it just feels like I'm pretty much inside the same car. I know where everything is, the buttons, dials, switches, everything. It's in the same position. Driving position's the same. I just fit right in. I know what I'm doing already. I'm so comfortable in the car already. So we are on our way to see Ronald right now. About 40 minutes left to get there. And so, just want to catch up with Ronald, see how he's getting on with the project cars, and drive the new Golf R for a bit. So, some of you might be asking, why did I get the Mark 6 R and not the Mark 7 Golf R, or even the Mark 7.5? Some of you might not know the differences, but the main difference between the Mark 6 and Mark 7, huge interior redesign, engine is different. There's the obvious power difference between the 7 and the 6. There's a huge power difference. But for me, the main reason why I went for the Mark 6 is because of how rare these Mark 6s are. So I feel like when you're out on a drive, it feels like there's so many Mark 7, Mark 7.5 Golf Rs on the roads, and I am someone that likes a rare car, and I feel like the Mark 6 Golf R is one of those that is becoming a rare specimen British roads right now. So that's the main reason why I opted for a Mark 6 Golf R, and the reason why I bought this one in particular, mainly because it was from a VW dealership as well. It's like, who would have thought that you can find a 10-year-old Volkswagen Mark 6 Golf R at a Volkswagen dealership, and they offer me a year's warranty, a year's roadside assistance. Yeah, so it was hard to say no. I mean, at the time I was in the market for a different Mark 6 as well, also a rare Golf on the roads. So it was a Mark 6 Golf Edition 35, which are also very rare to find on British roads as well. So, and because of the package that I was offered at this VW dealership in High Wycombe, very nice guys, very lovely team, a good range of cars. If you ever pop in, please check out their stock. They are a very nice bunch over there. So I'm on the M25, cruising at 70 miles an hour, very comfortable, no complaints honestly, it's going very smooth. I mean, in comparison with the Mark 5 R32, it just felt like the Mark 5 R32 was always angry. It was just ready to like suddenly pounce on another car or something, whereas I'm just going along smoothly on the M25, second lane from the left, and just cruising along, just chill. No complaints here. Some of you might be asking, am I going to modify the Golf R? Modify in the sense of, am I going to do a stage 1? Am I going to do a stage 2? Am I going to do a stage 2 plus? Am I going to do a stage 3? What will I do with the car? Am I going to take it to Artec and let them do all the beautiful mods that's available to these Golfs? Simple. I can tell you right now, I do not plan, as much as I would love to put some ridiculous amount of power into this car. The answer to that is no. I would like to keep this as stock as possible. But I can tell you, I would love to take this for a spin on the Nürburgring, which I hope to do with you guys at some point and share the journey with you at some point. So that is something for you all to look forward to if you like to follow me on this beautiful journey. Apart from a visit to the Nürburgring, which obviously I won't be doing anytime soon. So what would I be doing in between that? So what contents would you have to look forward to in regards to this car? We got, we said, deep cleaning, potentially some bodywork stuff. Once the bodywork is good, then we're going to get some PPF applied onto the car. Once that's done, what should I do next? Oh, need to make sure this is running mechanically sound. So I plan to take a visit to the very famous Artec and have some bits or not blasted and see, let you know, in my opinion, if it's made any difference at all to the running of the vehicle. So I've seen a lot of videos online in regards to walnut blasting, what that entails. I've read some stuff about it. It seems like there's a lot of benefits to it, especially with these engines. So I will get that scheduled at some point. Maybe I'll get that done before I do PPF and all the other bits. We'll see. Some stuff to look forward to. Thank you for joining me with my car collection this week. If you're enjoying the content, please make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification button. Do like my video, please. I will see you another week for more videos with myself on my channel. Love you all. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.